So this is a Nexus shard? Pretty cool.
Yeah, it's kind of cute. Given the unspeakable power it's imbued with.
Guess I should keep it hidden. You never know who's watching.
Yeah, you never know. Maybe Kang. Or even... Kang.
I should be heading back. I need to ensure that the rest of the defenders have kept Kingpin in check.
Can you tell She-Hulk to head our way if you bump into her?
Heading for Nueva York, right?
Yes! Going to the future. How much better can today get?
See you in another time, guys.
Take long for Triton and Crystal to open the doors. We must make haste to the palace entrance. It should not take long for Triton and Crystal to open the doors.
Looks like some trouble is brewing where you are. You're like a magnet for this stuff, huh?
Genesis prepping. This process has not been authorized by the royal family. Please halt the operation and surrender to your nearest law enforcement agent citing high treason as your selected crime. Did you know? Genesis should not be attempted on non-inhumans as side effects could be catastrophic.
There it is. It would be unwise to open the door without removing the threat first.
Target acquired. Not alive.
No one tangles with Medusa.
Target acquired. Intruders will be eliminated. Engaging recovery mode. Please stand by.
If you're waiting to hear a joke about me having a bad hair day, then here it is.
You're not alive. Warning. The palace is currently off limits by order of His Royal Highness King. Target acquired. Engaging recovery mode. Please stand by. Cooperation in your surrender is appreciated. Intruders will be eliminated. Target acquired. powering down.
Crystal and Triton do not disappoint. We must hurry and bring down Maximus.
Whoever it is, we can't let them get away with it.
Welcome back to another Triple J live stream. It seems that those Kree the Guardians went after aren't working alone. A source informed me the Kree made a deal with another Kang stooge, an inhuman commonly known as Maximus the Mad. Ha! If I don't get out of Chronopolis soon, Maximus the Mad will have Jonah the Furious on his case, let me tell you. Maximus has helped the Kree invade the inhuman city of Adelan, so he can take over the throne of Black Bolt, his own brother. In response, Black Bolt has assembled his family members to free the city and take back his throne. My source told me it was difficult for Black Bolt to rally the royals with a rousing speech due to the ludicrously destructive power of his voice. But with a few frowns and mimes, they soon got the message.
Maximus has no doubt set a trap.
Awkward silences. Don't you just hate them, brother?
Maximus, how dare you mock the king? You know he cannot speak.
Then let's hear if he can scream.
Lockjaw! Teleport us out of here!
I always find actions speak louder than words.
Oh, come now. Surely you didn't assume I was just going to let you walk in through the front entrance?
Maximus, once we find you, I swear.
Oh, how exciting! But first, I'd like to welcome you to my very own Chamber of Devices. I wish I could be there to give you all a guided tour, but being a king is such time-consuming work, right, Blackagar?
Lockjaw, who's a good doggy. Oh.
Ah, I see you made it past the door. Well done. Should you wish to leave, you'll find the exit located in the ceiling, just behind an impenetrable Ecotech vibranium door. Good luck!
Are you sure we're related to him?
Something isn't right. Why would Maximus tell us how to get out of here? Unless it's a trap. However, I suppose we've little choice.
Hey, give me a hand, will you? There's no limit to the scope of my cameo talent. Where's my award for best cameo? Excelsior!
This does not appear to be my day.
If you think this has a happy ending, you're right. It does. For me!
Does Maximus think that stealing the throne of Atlan is some kind of silly, childish game?
We'll teach him to make a game of our throne. We're going to need something loud to break this.
Perhaps just the tiniest of whispers, husband?
that I want to rule Attilan. I'm a very clever person with a strong ambition and excellent people skills.
People skills? You've locked your own family in this miserable place.
Yes, I admit, I'm not perfect.
Perhaps this is something I'm able to help with.
Having much luck. I didn't expect you to get this far.
Talk about being a royal pain. Let's hurry up and find a way out of here.
There. The way should be clear now.
Finally! This looks like our way out of here.
Now to find Maximus.
Welcome, family, to the court of Maximus the Great.
You're nothing but a Creed puppet, a pale reflection of your brother.
Really? And who failed to prevent Kang dragging our city here? Ronan and his Creed have a Nexus shard. With our combined forces, we will crush Kang.
Get off my husband's throne.
Husbands? Oh, no. This throne is very much mine. A lot more cutting edge. Let's prune this family tree shall we? The people of Atalan will be safer under my protection. Why can't anyone see this?
Maximus, you're not thinking clearly. Please, don't do this.
You'll see. My little friends here will make you see. Get them! Ooh, this is actually quite fun. How I waited for this.
I don't understand. How could you do this to your own family?
Family? Same family that treated me like some kind of misfit? I'm better than any of you!
Can't let that happen again.
beginning to get rather cross.
Please, we don't want to hurt you, Maximus.
Oh, don't worry. You won't.
Be able to get close enough to attack.
There must be a way to redirect the flow of power.
No!
Give up, Maximus. It's over.
Not yet, it isn't. I still have some tricks up my sleeve. Let's see how you handle this. I told you I was a genius.
What's happening? Everything feels strange.
Maximus, he's managed to affect the surrounding gravity. We can't attack.
There has to be some way to reach him.
Come now, brother.
Silence.
Well said, my love. Crystal, would you be so kind?
It would be my honor, sister.
Excelsior!